welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be working on Alicia's car. She's going to be installing her new angle kit, which is the same one as my car. It's a Drift HQ. It's like these kind of like these plates that relocate the spindle and tie rod pickup position. And besides that, she's going to be just putting the car kind of like all back to one piece. The kit's like mounted loose, just stuff like this. The fender needs the bolts in the bottom, and the interior needs to be finished putting back together, but it's just all simple stuff. So by the end of this video you should see a complete car and a drift ready car. And she did get new wheels actually, so this also can be a wheel reveal video, but you guys will see those when the time comes. So for now, let's pull the car out a little bit and see what she starts working on. What do you got here? So what she's done so far: old ball joint, crusty, new ball joint, and as you saw in the last one, this is the second side, but as you saw in the last one, you have to cut this piece off right here. You hear all these fucking spicks out here, bro? You have to cut this section here because it will have a new pickup point on the angle plate. So fast forward to me cutting this. You will need to do this to run this kit because the new plate will have a new pickup point. I'm sorry, it goes this way. This will be the new tie rod pickup point. Angle. Like so, you heard that sound. Now remember we had to take those off. So on the other side, we put this on first. We had to take them off because we couldn't get a socket on this bolt. So you're gonna put the plate on the spindle first, then you'll put the ball joint in. So what we're gonna do is take this ball joint off. You see the dowels, tie rod pointing towards the, oh my God, look at that paint. Yeah, I can do it. Pop that in there. Dowels in the spindle.
Is it in?
Mm-hmm. Pull this back. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Here. Trying to get you what you're doing.
I can't even see what I'm doing.
There you go. Here, just put the other one and hold it up and use the impact right here.
Oh. Hello?
Impact's right behind you.
Shit's dying. Showing in my eye.
That's the good old being impact with the bottle. So now, I'll hold this here.
Still fighting for my life.
Alright, so ball joint, dowels up. Let me see. Cut side towards the tie rod. Yeah, that's perfect. You have it right. Hold that there. I'm going to put the camera down. Here's a washer.
No idea. But...
The fuck are you laughing at?
My finger kept slipping.
Alright, well, we're missing. Oh, they're right here.
They're right here.
You said they're right here.
Oh my God, more shit falling in my eyes.
That was me. Fucking rub my fingers across something. Here's a washer. Here's a nut.
Thank you. Okay, those are on.
Now that these are tightened, basically ball joint goes in the hole. There we go.
And then, okay.
And it's pretty simple now, tighten the nut. All right, very terrible recording. The angle kit is in. Car looks great. She got the new wheels on. She's gonna go do a little donut or two right now. Some shit fitted. But the spindles are tilted, which were hitting the wheel and had to run a spacer, so that's why these are poking like this. Should be fixed probably within the next week, but this actually looks really good. Sorry for the camera quality. Super filthy, hasn't been washed yet, but this thing's outside for real. First night out. That's just so fucking blurry. You know where we're at. We're about to go fucking hit this little fucking spot.
Secret spot.
We about to blow up the spot for real.
Oh, hold on a second, bro.
Whoa, what happened? What happened?
Hold on a second. Why'd you point the camera at me and say that, bro?
I don't know. No, I was just saying we're gonna blow the spot up. Anywho, yeah, we got this thing outside, which is a rare occasion. You see this thing outside, it means something. So we got a Tapper, we got Vitti, and we got Ty back there. And yeah, we'll see y'all at the roundabout. All right, so we're here. You want to say something to the cam before testing? Hey. This camera looks terrible at night. Here's some donies. Probably get out of the way. With the limiter? Oh. Hey, that shit surprised me.
That was first? That was good.
Oh, I was like, her car turned off? Yeah, that was first.
Started out a little small and she started swinging it. I was like,
She left too. I was like,
Yeah,
fuck,
she
what the
left.
fuck? She about to.
why's she been driving that bitch?
All right, second gear donies now. Okay.
Third gear next.
All right, relax, motherfucker, relax. got our boy Vinty here. I think he did it. I thought he was like, "Oh, I'll never do that. I don't know how he do it," and then he gonna do it.
He didn't even do what I do. I mind you that bitch. He fucking 160 fucking corner.
That's that VQ shit.
Huh?
The VQ shit.
265s in the front. I don't know, man.
Let's see what he bring up next. God damn, I should get. Bruh.
Nigga, I thought you was. Motherfucking one sweep the whole.
No, I didn't get it.
Huh? I was right line.
Bruh,
It's like,
I was just telling him, he's just talking about he'd never do that. Blah, blah, blah. Then you go do it. First try.
That he does. I don't like that. My entry was
yeah,
shit.
but I feel like that require more. You be talking about you don't got enough power and you just fucking sweep the whole goddamn
My
corner.
ball was to the floor and I stuck it.
Hello, Fuel Tech.
Honestly,
I don't know, my channel seen all this.
They seen it. We did the walk around.
Oh, yeah. We did that night street, remember? With Lonnie?
Yeah.
That's on the tube. That was your first night out. Blew the fucking diff. Bruh, you had lost all your driving mod that night.
That was first time out.
Weld spotting, not terrible. A little material missing right there. We got Tapper coming up. A little squirrely warm up. Why the fuck did I stop recording? So the night is cut short. I got pulled over as I was leaving the spot because I left the spot to go check basically if there was a cop, and you know, I got hit here with a little what's it called? What does it say here? Where is it at? Fuck. Either way, you can't see it, but basically I got hit with a loud exhaust, which I'm grateful for because I got hit for street drifting. But yeah, I'm on the way back home. 2:28 a.m. Could have been bad. Yeah, I mean, it sucks to pay that $113 for exhaust, but could have been in jail. So this is gonna be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.